Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can add people on Snapchat web. In order to add people on Snapchat web, all you have to do is open up a web browser and then on the web address bar type in www.web.snapchat.com. Make sure that you're already logged in. In my case, I already have logged in. So all you have to do is just provide in your credential and you'll be logged in. So basically, to add people on Snapchat web, you'll have to install a desktop app. So click the desktop app button located right over here if the web version is not working for you, or else you can also use the BlueStack emulator for Android devices, and from there you can explore all sort of features. Now to begin with, when you install the following application, all you have to do is just tap the chat icon or the blue icon from the top left hand side corner, and here in order to add a contact, you'll have to type in their username, and in order to add them, all you have to do is just tap on it and click the add friend button. And as you do that, you'll have to wait for the other user to respond to your request, and if he or she accepts you, then you'll be able to be friends on Snapchat. So that's basically how you can add people on Snapchat web. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.